चलो गणपति महाराज की जय.
Good morning everybody, my name is Shutang and it's 6:30 in the morning and today we are going to Tringalwadi and Kavanai fort. Right now we are heading towards Kavanai fort and it is 5 minutes away from here. Just wait and watch. Just started hiking and we are literally halfway there, so the view here is amazing, as you can see behind us, and we are going up there. Talking about difficulty, it is kind of between intermediate and easy, and beginner can easily climb it. So we are all down, and I believe you are able to very windy out here, and it is. So the lake which I showed you a few minutes back was the top of the fort, and there wasn't much things to show you. So we are descending now. So let's see how it goes. Descending is the most difficult part of the trek. Descending is difficult than ascending. So let's see how it goes. So Abhijit, how was your experience?
It was good. Atmosphere is amazing. And from fort perspective, this fort is not too much difficult, at least for the trekkers who have already done a lot of treks. For the beginners, it is the, I think, best place to
Start with,
right?
Yeah. After a short descent at Kavanai fort, we are heading towards Tringalwadi fort. Tringalwadi fort is around 40 to 45 minutes away from Kavanai fort. So we are heading towards the base village. We'll reach around 5 to 10 minutes. That huge mountain you see is a Tringalwadi fort, and Meanwhile, you watch the montage. So guys, this is my brother Abhijit Savi.
Hi.
He's a doctor by profession, and I'm just wanted to ask him that how was your experience with the Shumatyogi trekkers and trekking overall?
Okay, so bro, it's a great experience for me. It's for first time. We don't get some opportunities like to exercise our body and like these things, monuments, our historical monuments. We don't know about anything about that, but because of you and your group, I reached such monuments like Kavanai Fort and now stepping towards Tringalwadi forts. So thank you again.
So do you look forward to trek with us?
Yes, of course.
Group member got crabby. How does it feel? So this is by far the most difficult part of the trek today. Let's see how these guys do. It looks like she's struggling a bit. It is okay, I mean it looks difficult and it is difficult. She's trying to quit, but other guys are helping her. Those guys won't let her quit. I don't know. She can't. Basta. Is almost done and it's 1:30 in the afternoon and look how foggy it is. It's very foggy.
It's a great coordination and synergistic effort.
That's true.